Welcome, Beacons, to the self-evaluation tutorial. In this training video, we will go through each section of the performance evaluation tool. Let's start by going to the Valparaiso Human Resources intranet site. You can see the website on this page. Click on Forms and Processes. At the bottom of the page, you can find the link to the Performance Evaluations Instructions and Self-Evaluation Form, which is step 1 in the process. Next, let's fill in your employee information, filling in each box marked with the red asterisk. Don't forget, your colleague ID is also known as your employee ID, which can be found on your one card. Section 1, which is goal setting, please list 2 to 4 SMART goals. Please make sure to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, intangible, or timely. Goals should be aligned to your specific department objectives while being meaningful and motivating to you as an employee. Section 2, rating. In this section, you will rate yourself on the job performance in 9 different subject areas. You have the option of rating yourself from exemplary to corrective action. If you feel a particular subject area does not apply to your position, you may select not applicable. Please note, if you select exemplary or development needed, you will be required to provide additional comments. Rating definitions can be found in the instructions section of the performance evaluation. Section 3, review of goals. This section allows you to review how well you met your previous year's goals. You will want to reference last year's evaluation for this section. In the Goals and Objectives box, list one of the goals that you set for yourself in the previous year. In the Time Frames box, list the time frame that the goal was or was not accomplished. Finally, in the Employee Rating box, rate the performance on that particular goal. You should have at least 2 goals, as each performance year, employees are required to list at least 2 SMART goals. Section 4, additional comments. This section is optional, however, encouraged to provide feedback to your supervisor. Next, please sign your review. You can now continue and submit or save your progress. If you save your progress, a link will be provided for you. If you submit your review, an email will be sent to you and your supervisor. You are now complete with this portion of the performance evaluation process.